In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I went from this to this. Juicy. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, you are welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made those juicy twists at the beginning from my afro that I've been carrying for a while. So let's start with the tools that we used. The first one is this big comb over here, just to detangle the hair, and then little rattle comb for patterns, and yes, this pointy object, then water, and my go-to soulmate hair conditioner plus. I love this hair cream because it contains a lot of nutrients needed for the hair. So let's get right into the video. So I'm just taking down the hair I made and carried for a few weeks to work. I'm just taking it down, and then I'm going to gently detangle with my hands at first. Then I actually prefer not to use a comb while combing my hair. I don't really like it because it causes a lot of breakage. So what I do is I use my hand to detangle, and then I could just start my braiding from there. Yes, then as I go along the way, I can continue my detangling process with my hand. So right now I'm just using the rattle comb to comb out those tiny edges at the back. Just comb it out a little, and then I'm going to part the hair. So I normally part my hair. I don't usually use a mirror. So what I do is I feel with my hands from the beginning, and I gently part it. After parting the first time, then I use my hand to just feel around it. Does it feel straight to me? Does it feel a little bend? Then I'll just go over it again, just like that. Yeah, so now I'm actually going for tiny braids because my hair is a little full. If I make it too big, it's not going to last me for a long time. So I just felt it, and I go over it just one more time. So now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to secure the other side so that to avoid any distraction. Then I'm going to just check if that pattern is straight. Right now I'm just using a tiny mirror and my phone screen. Yes, just as easy as that. I'll just check and see if it is good to go, and then I'm sprinkling with a little water because the back is already dried. The hair was wet, the back was already dried, so I had to just sprinkle a little water on it and apply the hair conditioner to it. And then I apply evenly from the beginning to the tip, especially the tip of the hair. So whenever I'm doing twists, I prefer braiding it from the beginning because I don't want it to be too rough over time. So I do the 3-strand braiding down for just maybe 3 or 4 steps, and then I can just divide it further into 2 parts and then continue my twisting. This helps the hair last longer, yes, and it also makes it look neater.
later?
I was done with almost half of the hair.
After another 3 stressful hours later?
The journey continues. I just had to make sure that I finished this hair in a day. So I took breaks to go eat, do some work, then refresh myself, then came back and continue from where I stopped. So the hair is a really stressful one. You need to be ready for this though. So I was glad that I was almost done with the hair. Just a little more and then voila, all done. Oh god, this is so stressful, honestly guys. But good part is I'm done with everything. So I'm just going to take down the ones I had made and braid it up so that it doesn't distract me from the ones I'm doing. And here you have it. Yes, yes, yes. I'm loving my twists. I like the way it's coming out. Yes. My hair is actually straighter now because I recently allowed it to air dry before I made it into twists. So there's little moisture. There, here it is. Yes, juicy twist. There it is. I really like the way it's coming out. Yes, I've not really made twists this tiny before, although they were a little bigger. Then even the braiding I made added to it, still nice. So here you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. To get more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button to get more videos when I post them. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Love you. Mwah, 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 mwah.